2024 Mustang Ecoboost. Power and style in a modern pony car. The 2024 Mustang Ecoboost continues the tradition of offering iconic muscle car looks with a powerful and fuel-efficient turbocharged engine. Here's a closer look at its specifications, interior and exterior design. Specifications. Engine. The Ecoboost boasts a completely revised 2.3L Ecoboost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. While horsepower stays at 315, torque gets a bump to 350 lb-ft, giving it impressive pulling power. The only transmission option is a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic. Performance. Don't let the Ecoboost moniker fool you. This Mustang can go with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time around 4.5 seconds. It delivers thrilling acceleration despite a slight weight increase. Fuel economy sees a minor improvement with EPA estimates of 24 miles per gallon combined, 21 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. Handling. The Mustang Ecoboost is known for its sharp handling. The suspension provides a good balance between comfort and performance, allowing you to enjoy spirited drives on winding roads. Interior. Modern design